Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Business Manager. Use 2FA for security. Once logged in, open Ads Manager and select the exact ad account you plan to update. This ensures changes apply correctly. Export the current campaign, ad set, and ad settings as a CSV backup and save it locally. Do this now because it lets you compare, rollback, or re-import. Also check billing, permissions, and pixel status before you change targeting or budgets. Now you perform the core updates. Change the campaign objective only if the goal truly shifted, or duplicate the campaign to a /B test alternatives. Then modify budgets and bid strategy in increments so you can monitor performance. Sudden swings can hurt delivery. Tighten or broaden audience targeting based on recent data, and update creatives and destination URLs with consistent UTM tracking. Once done, confirm pixel events and conversion API are active so measurement remains accurate. Finish by reviewing every change in summary view, then set a 48 to 72-hour monitoring window to evaluate impact. Make sure to enable automated rules for pause or scale triggers, and use delivery insights plus breakdowns by age, placement, and device to understand performance shifts. If ads stop running, first check billing and policy violation notices, then look at account spending limits or creative disapprovals. If needed, revert via your CSV backup or restore a duplicated campaign to resume traffic quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.